Anyway, today we got a Coke right here, as you can see, and then there's this guy. Yeah, for him. All right, so I think you want to shake that up a little bit more. Make sure it's really well shook up. Here, throw it on the ground. All right, it's pretty well shaken up. We did this last night as well, and we got some really good results out of it. Yeah, that's good. It's all like, I don't know how you say that. Like, it's all inflated and stuff. But some of it. Then we got our pellets here, and my little air rifle. And what we're gonna be doing today is shooting the Coke can, of course. And last night, like I said, we got some really good results out of it. Once we sprayed ourselves, and then last time it was just a really big explosion. And so I think we should get to it. All right. Safety's off. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, I sprayed you and it exploded.
I know it. Alright, that was a pretty good shot, I'd say. Not that bad. So, Mike, you want to go grab that can real quick? I'll take care of these.